Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 108 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a black roof, alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and a colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. We also get keyless entry, air conditioning and a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. So this car is pre-registered to ourselves and has only done delivery miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.